What's up, guys? Welcome to another Motivational Moment Friday. We know you were looking forward to more identity talk. We did not forget you, but we had something we had to announce. We're so excited.
Do like this.
What are we doing, mamas?
We're doing a podcast.
That's right, y'all. We're starting a podcast, and let me tell you, this is my bread and butter. Motivational minutes, I love them, but I ain't got enough time to say what I be trying to say. So check it out. Y'all is going to love this, okay? There's going to be more content. It's going to be more in-depth. It gives you some more time, so you can hear all the different things, and we're going to be talking about all kinds of stuff. Y'all stay tuned.
About to go down. Stay tuned.